So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fight monsters in Total Battle. Now in order to fight monsters, you'll need to check the enemies unit tab to find the weaknesses of those monsters, and you can send counter troops to exploit the specific traits. Now when it comes to you actually fighting those monsters, you can zoom out of your city and you can locate some monsters on there. So you can see monsters on here so you can attack, so you may find a lot of different specific resources that you can gather. Now, it's really important that you don't try to get and attack that monster that's maybe too high of a level for you right now. So stick to some monsters that are right about your level so you don't have to worry about you potentially losing, or in this case, it would be definitely losing because that monster was too much for your current state. So you can see there's a lot of different monsters. You can even see someone playing right now that's battling different monsters. Then they're returning to base. You can see the monsters and other people playing the game as well. So you're using your proximity to maybe a monster or some other advantage, your troops, your composition that can help you out with defeating that specific monster. You can also find some monsters within your starting area, but usually it does come down to you actually trying to get to those monsters that are on the world map. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Total Battle or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.